This is Shoebutton Ardisia, also called duck's eye or coralberry. Its botanical name is Ardisia Elliptica. It produces these beautiful black berries, and I'm going to share with you how to grow the seeds. I've got 20 seeds here. Half the seeds we're going to be planting without removing the outer pulpy stuff, and half of them I'm going to clean up and just plant the seed itself. And here are the 10 cleaned seeds. Okay, there you have it. 10 that have all the pulp removed, and 10 of the seeds we're just putting directly in the pot and not doing anything, and cover with a thin layer of soil, maybe about 1 centimeter. Water our top layer, and then I'm going to be placing a bag over the top to help maintain the soil moisture and a high humidity level. And we will be keeping the container above 75 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 25 degrees Celsius. And yes, I will be labeling the sides so I know which is which. It's been 5 weeks now. These things are not quick germinators. They do take a while, and you do need patience. Here on the left side are the seeds I planted without removing the pulp, that is, the entire berry. And so far, out of the 10, I can only see 2 sprouts coming up. On this side, we have where I removed the pulp and just planted the seed itself. And we've definitely got 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one's the largest one by far. So at this point, it seems that removing the pulp and just planting the seed alone is really beneficial and speeds up your germination process. It's been 7 weeks now, and I want to wrap up our Shoebutton Ardisia experiment. The ones on the right are the ones that I removed the pulp and planted the seed only. And I got basically close to 100% success rate and are doing great. On the left are the ones that I planted the whole intact berry. And as you can see, they are doing pretty well too, but not quite as good as the ones where I did remove the pulp. So I would say it's pretty much up to you. Obviously, I would go with removing, all the junky stuff, and they grow really well. But if you don't feel like doing that, you can plant the entire berry, skin and pulp intact. Both methods will work just fine. I don't do merch, I don't have sponsors, and I don't push products. But simply by watching one more video from one of these links, you can truly support my independent YouTube channel. Thanks so much, take care, and be well.